quick question. We've seen IEBC is on the spot for a flawed procurement tendering process, straight from the tender that they advertised on their website. And a company has gone to court saying that what IEBC advertised was tailor-made for a certain company, in the sense that it was predetermined that that company will be given that tender. What is your reaction to which electoral technology should also have?
We are following this matter very closely. That's all I can say, because Kenyans expect nothing. Kenyans are fed up with stolen elections. Hawezi tena kukubali mambo haya. Kwa hivyo, whatever it is that they are trying to do, I just want to tell you that on the 9th of October, the United Alternative Government has called, together with other stakeholders, for a consultative forum to ask IEBC to explain to the country how prepared they are to hold the next election. And therefore, procurement of election materials and the systems is a key component. I don't want to give the impression I'm entering their space, but they also have a duty to ensure that all the stakeholders are comfortable. If those allegations are true, then it's a very serious verdict on the new IEBC. As we have always told them, they have a duty to prove they are not a William Ruto commission. They are an independent electoral boundaries commission, where those who are aggrieved in the procurement process have gotten, as you mentioned, to the appeals board. Then it has to be heard, they have to be heard, and of course others, but so that they act expeditiously. We want the appeals board, for example, to very quickly dispense with this matter, because Kenyans cannot have one day, an extra day for William Ruto's administration because of delayed procurement processes. Some of us have expressed ourselves very clearly on this mathematic thing, all right? Because the system has been everywhere in the world, from Venezuela, from wherever, even in the United States, they were actually given a negative, a red card. But that having been said, we wait until the 9th. Before the 9th of October, the IEBC must come out clear on their procurement processes. Maybe there are other agents, because they put up an international tender. We hope they will be able to deliberate on these things transparently. If indeed it is true, there are tailor-made specifications, they have a case to answer, okay? That's what I can say for now.